Top 5 Newly Introduced AI Tools That You Must Try. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have an exciting lineup of newly introduced AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work. Get ready to try out the top 5 AI tools available today. 1. Loopin, an AI-powered meeting assistant. It can find the best time and platform for your meetings, send reminders and agendas, transcribe and summarize meeting notes, and even track action items and feedback. 2. Durable.io, an AI-powered website builder. Next on our list is Durable.io, the ultimate website builder. Say goodbye to the days of spending weeks creating a website from scratch. Durable uses the power of AI to design and optimize your website in a matter of minutes. Simply provide your content, preferences, and goals, and Durable will do the rest. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or creative professional, Durable will help you create stunning and professional websites with ease. 3. Trinka, grammar and language correction AI tool. Now let's talk about Trinka. Whether you're a student working on an academic paper or a professional writing technical documents, Trinka has got you covered. It can detect and correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, style, and tone errors in your writing. But that's not all. Trinka also helps you improve your vocabulary, readability, and coherence. 4. Blaze, an AI-powered typing assistant. Our fourth AI tool is a game-changer for anyone who spends a lot of time typing. Introducing Typing, Blaze, the AI-powered typing assistant. Blaze makes typing faster and smarter by automatically inserting text snippets, dates, times, emojis, and commands with simple shortcuts. You can even create your own snippets and customize your typing experience. With Blaze, you'll become a typing pro in no time. 5. Kickresume, an AI-powered resume builder. Last but not least, we have Kickresume, the AI-powered resume builder. This tool helps you create impressive and ATS-friendly resumes in just minutes. Whether you're a job seeker or a professional looking to update your CV, Kickresume has a variety of templates and features to showcase your skills and experience. And there you have it, the top 5 newly introduced AI tools that you must try today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to leverage the power of AI in your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends.